So I'm recording my video in Larry's garage because Larry, the garage is where Don learned about the things that he loves the most. Don loved mechanical things. He loved power. He loved things that go fast. And he was a chip off the old block with regard to that. And my best memories of Don were motorcycle riding. And Don just had this amazing spirit. He loved to go fast. He loved to work on his bike. And so I remember going out with him, and he would just, there was basically two positions on the throttle. One position is on and the other position is off. And everything else in between was just a waste of time. And it was always entertaining to watch him do his thing out there on his bike. And then he'd go back to his mom and dad's garage and tear the bike down and rebuild it again. And to see him with his tools working on that bike is to watch pure joy. And so that's my best memory of Don. Don, here's to you, man. You're one of a kind.